all-star team of world-famous car builders. Two wildly different works of art.
We agree?
Agreed.
Yeah. The design of this car, this is more like a beautiful woman. And every second counts. This is Wheel Wars. Bring on the next team.
You know, Amanda, it wouldn't be right to call the mid-cycle refresh of the 2012 Mercedes-Benz C-Class just a few minor tweaks. With the new coupe model and loads of new components, the C-Class has really added some shine to an already solid reputation. Brand new version of a 327 RS Camaro. That thing is amazing, not a speck of dust on it. Hey, it's Clarence from the Hot Rod Power Tour. We're packing up, getting ready to go on tour. We're in Southern California at Surf City Garage. That's right, what you see behind me is a glimpse of a private car collection of over 100 of the finest muscle cars in Southern California. Day 2 at the Engine Masters Challenge. My name is Clarence Barnes. We're live from the University of Northwestern Ohio. It was a big day on the dynos, of course, with Porting Dynamics putting together an alliance with Custom Kemp after a DNF this morning. This puts them on the map, on the board for tomorrow. It was a last-minute deal, came together just in time. Early morning barbecue action. Dove brought a brief flambe. That's Team Dove right there. Notice the evenly spread flame as they were cooking their way to a warm-up session that could have been just a temporary flash in the pan, but they have made it on the board. Triple S had to pull out when they had a problem with their monster 514 Hemi. This was real disappointing. Everybody wanted to see this Hemi fire up. It is huge, it is massive, and they're looking for a spot as an alternate tomorrow. On the Carcraft Summer Nationals. What a huge day. Thousands of cars, thousands of people. It started with the Royal Purple DIY Garage. Then we had Autocross. Then we had the Dyno Challenge. The QA1 Autocross. You should have seen the competition. It's all part of the Real Street Eliminator Challenge. Here at CRC Industries, we're talking about some real state-of-the-art new products for your car, especially if you live in a warm climate. Let's say you have a problem with your car overheating. You're on a long road trip, your car overheats. There have been solutions in the past, but nothing quite like this.
Crack open your little brain and wait for it to be impregnated with knowledge by Clarence Barnes from Lincoln Tech.
Here's a few tips for measuring main bearing oil clearance. This is the gap between the outside diameter of the crankshaft journals and the inside diameter of the main bearings. Step 1. When you look at a truck, I think everyone's eyes goes to the stance, the overall aggressive stance, the posture of your truck. You want it to be the best. But if you're shelling out that kind of money, you want to make sure you have something really worthy of that investment. Wait till you see this, a cast wheel with strength and an unbelievable aggressive look. We call it the Rolling Big Power Battalion. Take a look at this. We are live at the Toyota Motor Speedway in Irwindale, California. It's just about half an hour out of LA. Well, it depends how you drive. For me, it's about 15 minutes, but you're also looking at a guy who just spent 12 hours in traffic school.
I might lose my hands on this one, but
Clarence Barnes, Venice Beach, California. Handstanding on the skateboard, come on.
Billy Darian skateboards.
That is good stuff.
Because he's got 2 sick pythons. Pythons are sick.
Anything can happen, man. I'm really tired. Good to see you. Thanks.
He turned off the camera 20 minutes ago.